100 years. What the fuck? Sige daw, recap. Kalimot ko na gibuhat ninyo. So basically, ano ito po? Kay nag-separate si Zella beforehand pa jud pag-abot sa Port Beaumont. Unsa ganin yung quest ato, like di ba ni ato mo dito kay gihatod ang mercenaries, yan yung nag-explore ang everyone. Okay, tama. And then si Dura nahuman siya preliminaries sa iyang arena arc, and he managed to get into the semis. Beryl Deer, on the other hand, saw his significant other question mark.
Question mark? For fuck's sake.
And then as they went back sa shipwright, they decided to find Zella, since Zella has been gone for so long. Then on the other side, Zella, she discovered some kind of like rebel militia type of thing. Well, she heard rumors about like people against the king, and decided to, snoop around, do rogue stuff, where as she follows certain people alone shed, she is then met with the rest of the party that is also looking for her, and coincidentally tailing another person which so happens to go to the same location. Now Beryl Deer, Lythe, and Zella decides to follow the priest, and suddenly he was gone inside the shed, only to discover that they have a hidden lair beneath the shed, where they see a crowd, not that huge of a crowd, mostly comprised of like elves, and other like half elves, as long as they have like elven descent in them. And that is where they left off.
400 years ago.
Magansahan no. So that's where they left off.
400 years
They
ago.
like discovered a lair full of like elves and half elves. Well, napod uban na dili elves, pero majority kay elves.
I look towards Captain Zella.
I searched through the elves if there is someone of a higher being amongst them, acting as the leader.
So katong the priest which you like followed earlier is seen like on top of like this balcony sa sulod sa abandoned prison, and you can tell na he's like the leader, probably kay he's up there, and he looks like to be readying himself to give a speech. So as you like listen closer, he begins his speech. Brothers and sisters, for too long we have endured the yoke of human tyranny. We, the children of Bellanor, the guardians of ancient wisdom, have been subjugated by a race that knows not the harmony. They plunder our resources, defile our sacred groves, and mock our traditions. This city, our city, was built upon the bones of our ancestors. Its foundations are soaked in elven blood and sweat. Yet we are denied to rule it. We are treated as second-class citizens in our own home. Is this justice? Is this the world we want for our children? I say no. We are not beggars at the king's table. We are the rightful heirs of this crown. It is time to reclaim what is ours. It is time to rise up, my brothers and sisters, and show the world the true strength of our people. Together, we shall cast off the chains of human oppression and forge a new dawn for the elves. A dawn where we shall rule with wisdom, compassion, and an unyielding spirit. Are you with me? And then after that, you hear like a harmony of cheers and yells from the crowds. And then they all chant together, Bellanor! Bellanor!
No.
So what are you gonna do?
Can I, ano? What kind of elf was the priest? Can I identify?
Yeah, from this like kanang what do you call this? From your like sa angle ninyo, it's very clear that he is a high elf.
Maybe we should.
Ala na si Bridget. Welcome.
Nalaning Oliver Rodeo.
Yeah. Sa ano yung sulod naman ka? I-accept na ako.
Sige.
Sige, continue.
So, maybe I should blend in with them as I'm a half elf, and
Mhm.
then I would be part of their meetings to know what their plan, and I would then pass those messages to you, Light.
Yes.
So,
Yeah.
I mean, yeah.
what kind of clothes are they wearing pala?
As you can like see from the crowd, it's like a mixture. So it's probably like multiple citizens from Port Beaumont. You see like a few guards, a few like commoners, some dressed as like merchants. There are some like nobility actually, but marag minority ra sila sa crowd. Or you can tell na it's an assortment of people, Jud.
So I would dress up as a commoner to
Mhm.
infiltrate their amongst them.
Yeah, so
Yeah.
you dress up as a commoner and now are headed towards the crowd.
So I tried to blend in with them
Mhm.
and sticks to the shadows as to not grow suspicious towards me.
So
And I
mag-stealth ka. Sige, roll for stealth if like makitaan ka. First roll of session 11.
Not one.
Nasa dice. D20. Sneak.
Dice.
Sneak check.
Roll. 10 plus 16.
Yeah. Hidden. You're hidden.
Wait. Asa
No
ba?
one sees you.
So, nag-listen ko sa talks amongst sa mga tao.
Amongst the crowd. Mhm. Well, you can hear like a mixture of responses. So like cheer as a speech sa high elf na, which is by the way katong priest na gisundan ninyo. So that high elf up there was the priest. So you hear like kanang hopeful dialogues from the people that maybe it is time where we take back Bellanor and stuff. Mostly hopeful sila, and like they're pumped up to carry on whatever plan there is that they have.
So I look around for someone that is gullible enough to give information.
I mean, there are a lot of NPCs or like people. So like what kind of like person are you looking for specifically? Like how, let's say how are they dressed? What you feel like is like an gullible.
First, maybe more on the commoders, but their clothes are more rugged than others.
Yeah, sure. Like you see some of them there. You see actually quite a lot. Kind of more of on the poor side sa ilang like civil status.
So I inch towards them slowly.
Mhm.
So then naminaw ko sila and I'm timing myself to add in their conversation.
So yeah. So you hear one of them like one of them is like quite how do I say this? Like frail. It's a female elf. She's probably like she's talking about her like doubts if the plan is ever going to work. And then as soon as she says those kinds of stuff, one of them like tries to shush her, while the other tries to reassure her that the plan is going to work.
Then I asked her softly, like, why do you think the plan wouldn't work?
And then you see her like quite startled, but as soon as she sees like you're a half elf, she then calms down. Well, um, well, first of all, the guards. Well, there's only a few of us. We're just a small enough militia. I don't think we're able to match the forces of Fort Beaumont.
But we should trust in what the priest says. That he would that we would take back this land for our ancestors.
I I guess you're right. Hmm.
Hmm.
And then
So how many guards are there in total that you were quite anxious about the number?
well, um, you can't. It's quite uncountable really because you're fighting the whole nation. You're fighting Fort Beaumont, the whole city. So probably if we're going to go through with the invasion, well, the whole force of Fort Beaumont will be fought against us.
So where do you think should we start to stage this? I know because you're so anxious about the plan. Maybe you have any idea.
Well, not really. It's more of just I'm just worried that um not a lot of us will make it out alive.
I see. Maybe we should just trust what the priest says. Then ni slink back ko to the shadows
Mhm.
and niagto da sad ko sa guards.
Sige.
So naminaw sa ko sa ilang conversation.
Okay. So the guards this time, since they are like what do you call this? Since they are also considered guards of Fort Beaumont, they too have like some doubts. Like some of them, it's more like, or it's more of what if they get caught? And since they are guards, it's hard. Some of them have what do you call this? Like some of them may regret it since they also know other people, like their comrades in the guard forces. And then again, some of them like reassures that guard that the plan is going to work.
So nagpadol ka. So I immediately like I tapped his shoulders and said that, hey, don't worry, the plan would work. Why are you so worried about it?
Well, it's I mean, part of the plan is, a huge part of it relies on us guards here who would defect. Well, we know the castle inside out, and we know like the whole city layout since we were required to learn it. So if we fail, I guess the whole thing fails. So I'm just, scared of failing.
These layouts, did you give it to anyone? To everyone
Oh,
to
of
see?
course. He then like points sa up the balcony where like besides a priest, there is also like a rugged looking elf na like tapad niya.
Oh, is he the one that has the maps?
Oh yeah, kasi he tells you na kanang he's the commander. So we gave everything to him, and he's the one who thought up this plan. He is the right hand man of the priest.
So he would be the one giving the details and the instructions for the plan.
Yes, absolutely.
Could you maybe remind me again? Just step by step so that we won't have any obstacles.
So well, since it's the harvest festival, everyone is going to be busy on the final day, especially since it's the most long awaited finals of the tournament. So while everyone's there, some of us will start a ruckus at uh, at the Wave District, while some of us, taking advantage of the lesser security, will try to infiltrate the castle.
Has the commander grouped those who would infiltrate and those who would cause a ruckus?
Well, those who would cause a ruckus, well, that would be almost everyone here. Well, we need most of our forces there, and those who will infiltrate the castle, well, only a specific group is picked.
Oh, they're the elites, huh?
Yeah, I guess you could say that.
So you should maybe be ready for the ruckus. Then I
Mhm.
wave at him goodbye. Then nag-try ko padol sa more noble looking elves.
Mhm. So as you like look at them, ilang doubts, it's more on if they will retain their nobility status after after like revolutionizing against the monarchy. And then others, well, the other nobles reassured him that it's for a greater cause. And since it's the elves that are going to rule, they will have a higher chance of having a higher position in the nobility.
Yeah. I immediately said that. Yeah, aren't you tired of just being a lowly noble looked down upon others?
And then like you see him like quite pompous. Yes, actually. Now that I think of it, it's quite unfair to be a noble. Like
Yeah.
instead of like getting roast pig every dinner, well, all I get is just shepherd's pie and all that lonely food.
Right. Ang sa
So
to,
yeah, I think we need a change in management. Kana marag mostly nag-complain siya about sa iyang food na high quality good siya pero para sila kay nobleman sila it's like quite low.
yeah. See? So, shouldn't we do the plan?
Yeah, I guess you're right.
So, what are you going to do to contribute to the plan?
Well, mostly, well, we're not quite the fighting bunch. So we're the ones who provided the resources in order to execute this plan.
And we all thank you for that. Because as we succeed in this rebellion, you would gain much more than
Oh,
I
why?
slowly
Thank
walk
you.
away. To So I slowly walk towards where my teammates are
Mm-hmm.
without anyone noticing. Mag-stout
Yeah.
pa na.
Dili na.
Ah.
Atong stealth ni mo ganina kay Manat.
So, nibalik ako sa ilaha.
Mm-hmm.
Hey, Light. So, here's their plan.
Yes.
So, they would be targeting the last day of the festival. They will stage their entire plan on that day where everyone is focused on the arena tournament. And
Ooh.
so some of them would cause a ruckus in the
Sa Wave
Dark-
District, like sa market,
Wave.
ano nila.
in the Wave District. And then the others would infiltrate the castle. So maybe we should also split the team. What do you think?
I mean, should we stop them? I think you said that they're doing this because they're being like sila tawagan na parang murag
Oppressed.
gina sila. Oh, oppressed. They're being oppressed. You think we should? I mean, it's their problem.
Yeah, but what if we may sell this information and get a ton of goals?
I see. Well, I think splitting up is a good idea. Like, there should be people assigned in an area. So, where did you say they were gonna attack again?
In the marketplace
Wave.
of the
Wave District.
Wave District. So,
Mm-hmm.
how about you, Beryl, dear? What do you think?
I say
Uy, pero
we
yun.
split up, and I will try and find anyone. And if ever we're going to engage the enemy right now, I'm just going to stay over here. Wait, stay over here near the exit, and try and shoot them down as many as I can.
Is it a good idea to engage them down, or should we ambush them on the day?
I think
For
we should ambush
context,
them on
like,
the day.
For context, if like mag-away mo dire, and like numbers a crowd, it's probably like more than 100.
Yeah,
It's
I
quite
don't
small
think,
compared sa population sa Fort Beaumont, pero yep, ingay sila kadaghan.
but still, Captain, I don't think it's a good idea because there's only 3 of us. We need
Yeah.
everyone. And I think it's also it's also better if we ambush them because they will not be expecting us.
So, should we? How do we come out?
No, we should
as-
then we should leave for now na lang.
Oh yeah.
Ano
Should
bitaw, no? Information.
hmm, we should meet up with others
Yes.
and
Mhm.
plan what we would do. So
Okay, let's go.
let's go. See
Go.
Jay.
Fast as fuck, boy.
Kung dili kung ano sila eh. Hey, so
Alright. Kasi man.
hey guys,
Mana?
Kasi kayo natong kauban sa kawas.
si Fane and
Si
si
Toa.
Ito
Noah.
Okay.
Hey guys, did anyone pass by while we were inside?
Ay, tama, dili ka chat. Ay,
Wala, way
Gotcha.
ba si Toa, bay.
Tawa.
Way ba si Toa, bay.
nawala.
Way ba si Toa,
Nawala.
bay.
Hindi nga nakikita pa tong cellphone niya karon nawala.
nawala si Fane.
Ay,
Nag-session. Nag-light na session
siya?
ay. Si Tawa daw, nag-iingan
Reg.
sa chat. If
Wake up.
makita niyo sa top
Things
left,
kita.
Okay.
Things
Nasa
have been
Rumble.
Peaceful outside. Okay, there.
Okay,
Report,
Should-
report. Okay.
Mm.
ikaw na ang interpret.
Ikaw na lang sa si Toa. Ikaw na lang sa si Toa. Tignan rate lang.
Well, maybe we could, because information is also a sort of treasure. Oh, I'll tell you all about it back at the ship. So maybe we should meet up with the other, and I'll tell you all at once.
Okay, so where are we going? Where are we going after this?
Oh, mabalik ta sa ship. Dapat sila sa
The
ship.
ship?
ang uban kay naa sila sa shipwright. Ay dili sa Indi ay kay gisponsoran man si Dora. I forgot. Nasa in si Dora. Og si Key.
Okay, so let's go.
Sa inn or sa ship?
Sa ay
Sa
kamo.
inn.
The inn.
Okay, let's go to the inn. Now by map? Para sa inn?
who's the
Wala.
one- Oh,
Unsa mag-away mo sa
I
in the
knew
fuck?
it. I knew it. Alright, so on.
so
Kaya mag-discuss
kinsa
ganun sa
nakabalo
plans.
sa ano? Nay nakabalo
Sa
sa
what?
inyo kung asang inn?
Sila
Oh, sila
Toa.
tawa.
Ah,
Wala ko katulad.
I mean, yeah, sure enough, like, ni gawas naman sa lair. And then you start to go back inside the city. Yeah, tapos, you then now reach, sige, pangalan na ako ato, Salty Siren, yeah. You reach the Salty Siren Inn. sa mag-add tab.
Hmm.
Ano naman sa in?
Pwede po na to. Kasi itong kuan. Kasi ganitong kalimutan ko ba? Ito nakita na to sa tavern. Pwede po natin sila in number one. Kuan tabang ba? Tapos,
Pinsa.
Yung brothers ata yung pasabot. Dilo. Si Nathaniel.
itong sponsor ni Dora. Dili ka tong brothers. Itong character ni Nat.
Wala siya sa in right now. Ni hawa naman siya. Oh yeah, like na timingan ra na nara siya sa bar ato. Like nara siya sa in ato at the same time na naamo na nag-start og fight and shit.
We
Or
shall
like nasa
find him.
own balay.
Find that guy.
Nasa own balay.
Find that guy. Find him. I'm only like the ibuhat ko na kanipang on makapil siya.
Okay, so nisulod ta sa room.
Og ano sad gabi na karon. Like probably mga Idora and then like hello. Wala ko. Hi.
Na.
So yeah, it's like 12 midnight right now.
So,
Tulog sa ta. Long rest.
iingon sana ko sa ilahang information. So, I reiterated the information to the rest of the crew and said that maybe we would hatch a plan in the morning. It's pretty late, so we should get some sleep.
So like
Then
mag-sleep na mo tanan
we
karon.
Yeah.
Yeah, so long rest. So reset tanan inyong stats and stuff, other inyong resources.
Let's go.
And then now it is the morning. Yep. I think na ba tanan? Yeah.
Wala pa, natulog pa ang captain.
Sleeping. Captain is still sleeping in the room. Ano siya, no? Nag-inom mo kape si Life. Inom mo kape si Life. Ano siya, marag, kalang, ano siya, like, he was silent for a moment before saying, yeah.
Janet,
But
ipalit
nothing
yung
paused.
kape so 4 copper pieces.
Oh, fuck, I only have gold.
Bossing for
Nara ko okay, 1 gold. Tagan ako 1 gold ang ano.
Oh wow, let's keep the change.
Yeah, keep the change.
I take it.
Damn, okay.
Yeah, habang yeah.
Tingala ko sa ba? Okay.
So says eating breakfast. So nagpalit mag food. I mean, I could say bawasag 10 gold in yung inventory each.
Me?
Hindi, wala ko ni palit. Kape lang ako.
Ako ni palit. Buing.
Okay. Kinsay mga nag-breakfast dara. Pero mind you na important ba mo kaon kay exhaustion exists.
Dapat mong kay kuan rations.
Oh, daghan kayo. Yeah, apil. Ang exposure tip ni Dura. Imo lang. Imo lang.
Dora, give me your gold.
Wow, you're so lucky.
Give me all of it. All of it.
5.
Palit kandi ka. Palit kandi ka.
Yeah.
Ay, dako ba ang gold actually? 5 gold dako na
Ano
actually.
yung ko?
You know, 10 gold man then. Jesus.
It's a like a
Silver.
full breakfast, man. It's a full
Mm.
breakfast.
Chili.
Gataga na tagag 500.
Oh,
Yeah, 500. Gataga kag 500. Onya na pud extra di ay kay nadaog kaso like gatagan kag i-roll na ko. Gatagan kag 7 extra.
Uh-oh. Ma.
Hello?
nasa.
Nawala ka? Ay. O, so what happened? Ay. Putol-putol si Dora Senior.
Oh,
Ako lang.
naputol siya. Naputol siya.
Oh, in general.
Putol ka, Pauls.
Yung chat si Kuya Sansan sa general.
That smile.
Ah, okay.
Tap. That convenient transaction when you pay with Visa.
Ah,
Yay.
sige, so si
Nadungog na
Nice
ko
celebrate.
Naman.
Good morning, Bridge.
Good morning, Captain.
so bawasig 70 gold imong ano. Imong bonus mo to 70 gold.
Ah,
Ay,
Di mo
so
kaya-
60.
tagan mo.
Kasi
Ah.
G's.
Tabang.
So,
No?
light. You can
Can
Yeah.
I go down to the tavern and scam people? I mean,
Oh.
ano? Scam people out of their money by playing rigged games.
Sure.
yeah, you can
What is
go
it,
ahead.
Well,
Captain?
you do that.
And go to the tavern.
Ano na lang,
Hi, guys.
roll for deception.
Deception or okay?
Kaisa lang.
What is it,
Deception lang.
Captain?
So, light.
Deception.
While
Yeah.
having breakfast, you can just inform the others of what we gathered yesterday.
Okay, okay. Yeah, ano na yun? Ano na?
Or,
19.
Ay, namurikat. Namurikat.
yeah, sure. Racist ito, let's go!
Naging, ano na.
19 ako na roll man. Ay, 20 dahil, 20. Soft 20. Ay, sa tawa na. Soft 20.
Okay.
Ayash. Sure, anya na ng result sa ibong pag ano.
Okay.
Sa lasa.
Roll na first.
Let's go to the racist Toa.
Let me find my sheet.
Racist na si To.
Okay. Since, wala. Since ano pa man siya. So, gidiscuss
Ay,
na
IRL
ako.
dice
sa
yung
ila.
gamiton. Sige.
I-discuss na ako sa ilaha like unsa tong ano like what we discovered last night like about like the plans, about the ambush, about the locations, like they will according to Captain they will be attacking Wave District during your performance. Is it performance? Yeah, it's performance. Kitodlo niya si Dura like your performance. Why nila ha? Wala, nag-discuss ko din. Sabi, ay, ano ako na. Ayun. They will be attacking during the day of your performance. Would you call that a performance? Kanan. Yeah. Yeah. They will be attacking. They will be making an ambush. So Captain and I will have planned that we should split up during that. Maybe except for you because you will be performing. But
Oh wow.
yeah.
Oh wow.
Natulog na si Fade.
Samukay.
So besides sa inyong like elves sa imong party kay, well, wala kayong makitaan.
Ano na ko, i-interject na ko si Towa like, hey, your eyes. Where are your eyes going?
Probably seeking another maiden to
Maiden's
stop
bosom.
that, Towa.
Stop that.
Ihapak na ko siya gamit akong prayer book.
Bong. Tikatik racist good na siya karon after
Yeah,
sa
so-
madongga ng
So
You are my
that's our
slave.
plan.
Slap, slap, slap.
That's our plan. So what should we do? What can you guys suggest?
Beryl Deer imo nakuha kay 6 gold pieces of 8 copper pieces.
Yes, free food.
Limot ko sa laytan po ko kay nakatulog.
Para sa'yo. Kita ko sa
nakatulog
cellphone
din.
niya. Pag kitang cellphone na,
Nakatulog din. Pag mata na ko kay nana sila dito sa tumoy. Sa tanong na sa Oliver na kuya po si Neto. Oh God.
Nag-sexy time pa kasi.
Do you want me? Si
Yeah,
batong sa mga
sure.
first years, oh.
Kinsa
Pwede
si
ba?
Senpai.
Senpai.
Si Sansan,
Kinsa yung Sansan.
si Torin Draconis,
Orin.
ang mercenary na isa.
Okay. Gets. Katong long hair. nga
Anong
katong-
Neman? Ano ba to?
So-
Discuss ako sa ino. What should we do? What should we do?
Wait lang, ano good ang scenario? Sa scenario di ay usab gani.
Nag-discuss na may sa mga kuan sa
It's
Kita.
Steve.
Yeah.
Wait, ano? Towa substitute. Read the message.
Tawa substitute.
You say the planning and causing a
Oh.
ruckus in the Wave District, right?
Preparations.
Captain, what do you think?
I returned
Yeah.
to our room.
So
And the
some
Sinon.
of us would go
Napod
to the
map
Wave
sa Fort Beaumont sa kilid
Yeah.
para kabalo mo
Yeah.
asa ang like Wave District and stuff.
So some of us would go to the Wave District to, as was said, to search for any signs of their preparations, and some of us would gather information about the priest and his right hand.
Oh.
Nahuman na bitaw niyo magbasa ang book Sad Pain katong gipahatag ni Zella. Reminder lang.
So, nag-suggest ko na I can look for information regarding the priest. I'll be
Yeah,
going there
because
anyway.
you're of the same.
Yeah, we're of the same. I think he will listen to me.
Elk.
Uh,
Dora, you should.
I'll go to the Grand Bazaar. I can go to the Grand Bazaar
Okay. So,
because it's right near the Castle Beaumont. It's a logical one. They could use the Grand
Ne,
Bazaar
gusto rin
as
niya
a
makita ni iyang
distraction.
ano.
Eh.
No,
Tikatik.
or support harbor. Ay, sa tawag niya, the harbor. Pwede po. Or Grand Bazaar. I'm going Grand Bazaar. Adios,
Di ba
pendejos.
na investigate na, di ba? Investigate. Asa
For
to
what?
gingon? Katong gather some information regarding the right hand sa high priest.
So we'll be going to the church, but yeah, I think you can come.
Ay, okay, I'll go with Toa because Toa is distracted from the girls. I should probably scout Toa.
Yeah, we can.
Okay, so I'll go with Toa.
Okay.
Oh,
okay,
I-
so you three would scout for the priest and his right
Yeah.
hand.
yes, Captain.
Yes, Captain.
Then Dora, maybe you should focus on the tournament because you would be getting a lot of. Do you know what the prize is for the tournament?
More foods for Toa, I guess. And the
Okay,
gold.
you do that. Then
Two races.
I would. So I
Yeah.
would be the one to go to the wave district. Let's gather.
How ba
I
yung
recommend
nearby
someone to go
the
to the harbor.
evening.
Ay, harbor.
Mag-split up, di ba ka? Samoa.
Sige daw, so unsay
Yeah, matuod
split,
Grand
unsay
Bazaar.
plan ninyo?
Ang plan namo
Hello.
is Tolome, si Lies, si Towa, ug si Fane, mangitag information sa priest, which is basically sa simbahan. Then
Aha.
after si Dura mag-practice para sa iyang performance, tapos si Zella kay ano siya, dito siya sa Wave District. Tapos si
Mhm.
Beraldir is fourth.
Support.
Ang
Support
itang ni
tama.
yung ano.
Tama ba, Joel?
Ay, si Ki. Asan niyo
Ah.
ibutang si Ki?
Ay, tama
Kauban ni
Biglang
Dura.
ilangoy.
Kauban ni
Biglang
Dura.
ilangoy.
Kauban ni
Biglang ilangoy.
Dura.
Ay, no, padto na to si Kiss sa harbor na lang niya ako sa Grand Bazaar.
Ay, oh,
Kanan,
Eh.
para kanan kaya nangita gyapon siya isda.
Okay.
Or pwede
Okay,
mo subway.
Ikan.
Wala pa kabalo.
Di, sa
Basta sa last day. Yun.
last day sa festival,
During
then
the day of your performance, di ba? Kayang performance?
like finals na.
Also, the
Finals,
Coliseum.
during your finals.
Mag
Joy pa.
No, not
Wala pa
yet.
siya flying, ano. Ay,
Wala.
wait. Yung find
Familiar.
familiar, I think. Pwede pa. Pwede na
Ano
yung
ba
find
Fox?
familiar.
I still have my fox. Isang mo dala itong unggoy, good ba? Pwede tayo mag-climb itong unggoy.
Yeah, sure.
Si George.
Last George
oh,
vibe.
si George.
George.
Gani si George. Wala naman si George.
Wait.
So, sa final, si Ki kay support gapon si Ki.
Yeah, open sa Liberal Beer.
Bazaar man daw si Baraldir.
Pwede sila uban.
Wala niyang
Okay.
Ang Bazaar, by the way, it's still like inside the Wave District though. Marag lugar siya sa Wave District.
Pare, doon ramen ni ano. O sige.
Uban nila mo.
wait.
Kasi
Balik
mo to
ako.
Wave District gani. Si...
Si Zella.
Okay. Pwede ra.
And then as soon as like nahuman mo prepare sa inyong preparations na ay more frantic, doon siya frantic. Or like na ay lalaki na nasilod sa inn. He looks to be a courier. And he yells, letter for Dura. Is anyone here Dura?
Or...
Tapos katagihatag niya ang letter and then like nihawa siya. Like eager siya to messenger. And then like as you look at the letter, it is quite ornate and neat. Kanang and affixed on its wax seal, you notice the emblem of the royal family.
Ooh,
Support Bowman.
what's that?
Oh, yeah.
Oh.
And then as you open it, exactly, it's an invitation para sa kanang, what do you call this? A gala. Sa
Alam.
what's it guys? Like later in the evening. So basically, gi-invite ta ng kanang semi-finalists sa arena kanang mga kanang mga naka-succeed og pass sa preliminary, so murag i-invite mo tanan para for a gathering lang good, like a mini celebration. Like actually like dili siya necessarily I mean that could be arranged, pero so far murag general gathering jud siya, dili lang actually like about sa arena jud, like tanang mga key persons sa festival good, like para to prepare jud, like lingaw-lingaw sa mga nobles before mo abot sa dang time mara siya one of the main event, like na gala sa third day, which is karon third day sa festival. And tong final day is 5th, by the way, 5th day. So karon third day mo sa festival.
Wait, so noun sa no?
Invitation.
Invitation, like sa gala.
Si Dura
Siguro,
lang
may
ang
pwede makapila na
invite.
lang. Yeah.
I mean, the letter like says that, pero like, basig na day Dura and the team, like yung mga advertisers ko hay good. So like dili lang na
Di ba
pertaining
na yung
to
mga nobles?
kanang Dura jud.
Remember na
sa
no?
mahitabo? Kano sa
We can go later.
Sa gabi pa na daw.
Gabi.
Onya
But
pa.
it's in the evening, so
So,
Yeah, kara na adlaw.
dapat, di ba na po yung mga nobles atong katong secret meeting sa militia. Kasi pwede mga kuan na. You guys can go.
Pwede man nga mag-gather sa tag information then
yeah, in the morning.
Gani buntag pa man dyan.
I can...
Then, pagkagabi,
guards.
Excited naman siya makita yung Baby Loves.
No, gusto ko mga assassinate.
Well,
Now,
speaking of
assassinate.
sa gala kay, there are probably a lot of nobles, including mga gipang invite from other nations.
Oh.
Para siya kanang
Oh.
murag networking event kunuhay good, like people will talk with each other and
Mga
like
connections.
Gapon the Kim.
doing noble stuff, like like oh yes.
Gapon the Kim.
Oh yes, my land is bigger than yours.
Murag, ano, good, like, more siya social event na dyan.
Hmm.
Kana ko mga family reunions, kana ko mga family reunions sa Dynasty kay.
I'm
Don't worry,
back.
Dora. We would be there with you.
Yeah.
So maybe I would be your +1, then the others would pose as your bodyguard. Our bodyguard.
Formal gatherings mean pretty lady.
No, Towa, no.
Lahi man na imo tawa.
No, Towa, no.
Nag-
Formal good.
So,
Oh,
shall we
Side
go
with
now?
Itoa.
Oh, with the
Shall we go?
ladies.
Just
So-
Information.
just remember the
Sige.
Sige.
So, kay kinsa sa na perspective atong buhaton. Let's see. Sa ano sa to?
atong tulo.
Sa priest katong tulo.
Mm.
Kay Light, Light tawa og kay Pain.
So, mo to. Nagbaktas na mi tulo.
Yeah, towards the
Sa
church.
simbahan. Yeah, towards the church. And then, I stopped and then,
Kabalo na ba mo on sa like church siya for what? Or like di
Wala
sila
pa.
na worship?
wala pa. Mo akong plan i-ask.
Ah,
Sa
okay.
priest.
Kanya pa
Ah.
di ay. Abe kag ano pa. Abe kag nag-ask na mo tong before.
wala pa. So like, habang pasaka mi, like, I stopped Towa, then I was like, hey, Towa, you're planning to you're planning to act like an oppressed citizen, right? I think you should create a ruckus here so that maybe the cult members of the cult might approach you. Magkubo siya gubot sa gawas while me and Fane might go inside and ask for information. Fair enough
So,
daw.
like,
Fair enough.
plano ninyo magbuhat og distraction via Towa.
Si Towa ang distraction, like kanang mag-shagit-shagit siya dira sa gawas balik. Oh, like basta siya, ikaw na bahala na iya. Like
You could beat me up, agoy.
you could
Kinky.
beat me up. This please. No, I don't. No, I need to talk to the priest.
He's the devil.
Let me do
the
the
devil.
honors. I'm gonna beat up Towa.
Oh, are you sure, Fane? Are you sure, Fane?
Yes.
Okay, I'll let you to handle that. Oh, nibaktas
Interesting.
na yun ko. Nibaktas na, ihawa na yun ko. Like, gibiyaan ako silang doha. Like,
Sige. So, imong
tulad
perspective
na ako
sa
sa church.
life.
So, like, nasulod ko sa church. Then, gipangitan ako tong last tao na akong nastoryahan tong nangato ko dira. Itong nag-gas na ko.
Katong
Itong gas
maragnan.
na ko na.
Yeah, sure. Ano mo siya?
Hi,
man.
hello sister. Hi sister, it was nice meeting you again.
Tapos like you can tell like a look of confusion kadali and then siguro na remember na jud niya kinsa ka. Oh yes. What how may I help you?
Is the priest here? Now, like yesterday, he wasn't here, so I left.
Ah, yes. He is upstairs in his office. You can
Okay.
go right ahead.
Okay, yeah, isaka ko atok sa priest.
Mhm.
Then knock, talk.
So pag knock nimo kay you hear him say come in. And then
Sulod ko.
as you open, you
Yeah.
are then like met with this high elf of a priest na nakalingkod sa iyang like desk and like he seems to be writing or like signing a few documents and he asks you, how may I help you, child?
Hello, father. Father.
Agoy. Agoy.
Father, I It's finally nice to meet you. I was supposed to talk with you yesterday, but the sister said you weren't here. I would just like to
I
ask about some things.
mhm.
Mhm. First, I would like to ask about basically this. Ano ganyan tawag ganyan? Natitin, kalimutan.
Sa doctrine nila ano?
Like I would like to ask like about the doctrine of this.
Ah,
Like what God
well,
are you worshiping?
and then like siguro nakita niya imong like somewhat faded religious robes. Ah,
Yeah.
you're a fellow clergyman. Well,
Yes.
this is the Church of Nausicaa.
Nausicaa. Galing.
So, i-type na lang na ako para makitan. Dire sa chat. Yeah, exactly.
Ooh.
So, well,
Okay.
since we're located at the coast, we're a coastal city. It is just right to worship the god of the sea.
Hmm.
So,
Kumurag,
what are you curious about? Are you interested to join in our worship?
nagchuckle lang siya gamay like, huh, I don't think my patron would agree. He would be angry if I switch switch religion. Ang mga ano din, murag gipangutana pa nako siya more about ay murag na di ba to na mention na ano kaning murag ay di, ang utana ko siyang history like history sa priest like before siya like kanang ano.
Well, I've been here my whole life. I was born and raised in Port Beaumont, and then as soon as like giingon niya ang Port Beaumont, you can like tell and like twitch a bit yung face as if like he hates saying that name.
Yeah.
And then kato, well, I've been a priest here for so long. Well, in my like 300 years, well, there I'm just here, fully devoted to Nausicaa.
Ito man. Wait, pangutana. Hello.
Pa may ask you, ikaw.
Ako personally, like, ay, gawas na ko tong, speaking of which, since you've been here long enough, do you recognize this medallion? Ipakita na ko tong medallion sa Sentinels.
Sige. He does.
Oh. You know something about it?
Well, I don't know what I don't know what is that exactly, like the doctrine and stuff. Well, I do know that I've seen it before. Well, it's actually like I think it's a religious order based well, quite far away from here. It's in Trigon basically.
That's very far. Mag-ask ko siya, like, do you have any other workers in the church besides you, the sister? Because I don't think I see anyone else.
Well, depends on what line of work, but if you're talking about our
Like
clergy
religious
work, well, it's only
Yeah.
me and the nuns here.
So, confused kay siya kay lahi ang ginaingon sa priest sayang nadunggan nga gawi like
I mean, pwede man ka mag-insight check.
yeah, can I make an insight check?
Yeah, sure.
Mag-roll ko. Andre ang guy. It, 12 plus 1, 13.
He
Can you
seems
give
to be telling the
wisdom or
truth.
Wisdom? Oh.
Yeah, wisdom. He seems to be telling the truth, actually.
Hmm.
Like sa iyang clergy work, it's just him and the nuns. So it's probably if like you're referring sa katong nakita ninyo kagabi, he's
Yeah.
probably like not part of the church.
Oh. Hmm.
So any more concerns, questions?
Hmm. Oh, like mag-ask ko siyang opinion about like the government, like kanang sa naga-ano rule karon. Like what can you say about that? Because I don't think kanang murag magi like wala dagan kisig na dunggan na haka-haka ano ba?
Okay.
Hmm.
Well, it's perfectly fine. I guess you could say it's quite soiled in some way. But nonetheless, it's all good here in Port Beaumont.
I don't think I have any more questions. I am very thank you for the knowledge sharing. Like, can I, like, look around the room kasi na something. Like, hints ka ng
Um,
nakaw.
Perception check.
Perception, my favorite. 5 plus 6, 11.
Effortlessly make a job with
No.
resume and cover letter.
Wow, nag-adds. Pero no, wala ka nakitan. Namarag,
Professional template.
Okay.
sa ito gani? Na noteworthy.
Okay. So, moto na. Thank you ko siya salamat din. Lakaw. Nibalik ko sa gawas niya. Nagkulatahan na yung sila Phoenix.
Yeah, nagkulatahan na sila and then like, as soon as pagawas nimo, like,
Yeah.
a crowd started to form. It's not quite big for us. Kanang, you know, like the surrounding people, they start to
Mhm.
look at this like Vedalken beating up a poor elf. And then, sa ito gani? And then, timing, na iniabot na guards to start to try to ward off the fight. So you see two guards running towards the crowd. Step aside. Tapos each one of them
Oh.
like gikuha ang isa, gikuha si Fane. Ang isa kay gikuha si Toa na disguised as a poor elf in rags. And then kato like awat silang duha.
You fucking donkey, you piece of shit. Always fooling around with a pretty girl's eye.
Unta kira mo.
And then like Naini abot na third guard and then asks like,
Mm.
oh, what's going on here? And then you see
just
like
doing
a
some
few, you hear a few like people
You
in the
fucking
crowd
donkey, you
yell
piece of
like
shit.
this blue-skinned woman, she's beating up this elf for no apparent
Fucking
reason.
donkey.
Ano?
They're just
Always
doing
fooling
for
with the wrong woman. Stand up,
And then like
Kuya.
ni Dool tong murag siguro like sa tawag superior nila kay Fane. You have committed crimes against Beaumont and her people. What say you in your defense?
I'm the yawa. Wait lang. Alam ko sa script. Okay, take to. Oh shit.
Okay, hilong sa i-off niyo mga mic guys. Uy, dili ikaw te bridge. Kita mo, kamera ba kay magkuhan kasi mga linya.
Nagulat ko sa
Mag-yaw
iyong linya
ka,
mo, nawala man.
Gani, hindi off na
Kagat lang.
Ma, nagulat mo si mama.
Kagat lang.
Nag-defense. Mag-prepare sa siyang defense.
Okay. Sa to ulit. Sa to yung iyang puta na.
Wala ka nang, you have committed crimes against Beaumont and her people. What say you in your defense?
Okay. You see,
Stop!
this, di mo siya person, unsang siya? Kalimutan
Pang,
ko.
di daw person. Shit.
Okay.
Racist.
Misal.
Daga racist.
Human,
Nagagawas
siya
na yung
human?
racist. Like,
Siya ba to human dire?
elf.
Ito na human na rin. Elf.
Elf.
Okay.
Elf
You
siya.
Sorry, elf
Ah,
man
elf
siya.
siya na
Elf.
this,
See
guys.
elf right here. Always fooling around with the pretty girls. I've had enough of this shite.
And then like,
Joke lang.
and then, seryoso ka na yung mag-iingon? Or like,
Dili.
Hi.
Teka. Kanya
eh, mga tanang ko, are you his lover? Are you jealous? Ano? Why are you mad?
Okay. You see my friend right here. This elf. We're going around for a mission. But it seems like he's out of his mind looking for pretty girls. So, I
What?
need to,
What mission?
like, we're searching
Patay
for
isa
a
po.
cat. We're searching for for something lost. A pet. A lost pet.
Well, that
And I want him to be
Doesn't-
sober.
that doesn't change the fact that you beat him up.
That's how I show my love for him. As a sister. Right, Towa?
Sister,
Oh.
and then like
Oh.
nag-tanaw siya sa
Say something.
skinny mo, sa skinny ni sa elf, like blue on niya kanang normal skin na elf, like nag.
Ingon din orphans.
Ano siya?
Ingon din orphans.
So wait, so roll a deception check with disadvantage.
Putang ina. Wait lang. Inuntan ako nga ng meet Miss
Nayuntan
Orphanage.
ang
Pero
lover.
sige.
With
Yeah,
disadvantage.
Legit lang. Naman to'y dice, di ba dire?
Yeah.
Asa gani sa all bear?
Just click the D20
Sa
twice.
taas.
Okay, fit lang. 20.
Kanya ka na nakalista, dili ka nang nasa top left dyan na dice.
Tas ganin 20.
Yeah, kaduha.
Tas roll.
Ah,
Kaduha? Then
kaduha.
roll. Okay.
Si ano lang, si Fane lang, dili si Tawang. Kaya si Fane man nag-ingon.
So wait lang, ikaduha?
Tama, duha man na.
Tama siya.
Kuhanin mo ang 5 kay disadvantage.
Ay putang ina. Sige.
5
So you failed.
Okay.
5 plus.
So,
Oh shit. Okay, so unsa
napa
ba?
kay plus ato, deception actually. Napa kay plus
Ay,
ato.
deception.
5 plus. Oh.
Deception. Plus unsa ni plus 3.
Plus 3, 8. You still fail.
Okay.
Fail. Sag.
Okay.
You still fail.
You fucking donkey.
And then like he ordered the other guards to like take you away. You can explain in prison, ma'am.
No, wait, please.
Okay, take
Brother.
away si Fane.
This is a nice
Take
start.
away
This
si
is a
Fane.
nice start. This is a nice start.
You take away si Fane.
Okay, at least my work is done. Go save yourself.
Can I would like to use this asal sila ganiron? Wave district, no?
Nami sa
Yeah. Wave District hapon ang church. Pero like, from where
Okay.
you are you specifically sa Wave District? Di ba na ka sa...
Near
sa
the
bazaar?
Grand Bazaar. Yeah.
Oh, you are at the Grand Bazaar. Yeah, far.
So,
It's
nakita
like
ko
a
sa
bit
Itabo.
far. No,
Okay. Sag.
you can't save.
I can't save him, Sag.
I mean,
Okay,
Okay, naman
no.
ko'y ano.
I mean,
Naman ko'y-
knowing the laws of like Fort Beaumont, marag petty man po siya na crime, so you can like bail her out probably.
O kaya
I
I'll
ain't
just
giving
go
no money.
invisible.
You can bail her out probably for you know.
Di mo wala.
It's up to you guys.
Ako na bahala na.
Ano ba na? Napunta na ko yung disguise self, pero ako magpa-disguise akong sarili as a guard.
Pero
Ano din, like,
ayaw pag metagaming, you're not there. You don't know that happened.
O gani. Such, kaya na yung code. Ay, doon, nakitaan ko sa tabo.
No.
Oh,
And then
it's a nice
kato.
start.
Kumana ang part nila.
yeah.
Kumana ang part nila. So, next,
Nadak-
kay Beryl Deer.
Oh no.
Go,
Grand
Beryl,
Bazaar,
dear.
Here we go.
Yeah, naka sa Grand Bazaar. So, you are now like kanang in the middle of the bazaar. Compared to other parts of Port Beaumont, it's like the most crowded since Port Beaumont is known for its trade. Well, you're expected to see a shitload of like merchants around.
And
So yeah,
Merchants.
there's a lot of people.
probably. Alright. First and foremost, I would like to find a bathroom and use this guy's self dito sa susunod.
I mean, there are probably like no bathrooms, but there is one like alleyways. There are some alleyways na private. So yeah,
Ako
you
na,
can
like
slip right
alleyways.
in and cast this guy's self. Ano ba na? Spell slot?
Ranger, yeah.
So yeah, bawasig first
that's
level
minus
spell slot.
one. First level illusion. Bonk. Okay, mana. Okay, I have two more.
Kana. So yeah, you are now disguised. Unsay disguise nimo you? Describe your disguise.
As a guard.
A guard. Okay. So it basically more Beryl Deer pero a
Yeah.
guard or like you change your race and stuff.
Like, and I'm still an elf, pero did it draw like a normal elf per se.
Okay. So yeah,
Elven
you
guard.
change into this like high elf guard,
Mhm.
and then
And then I wander around the bazaar, particularly sabi na diri sa mga sa gates dapit guro, like diri dapit.
mhm.
Try and look for any familiar faces.
Roll me
Nakita na ako
perception.
saan. Perception. Kita na yung perception. It is... Okay. Dire na ako saan. Okay. Okay. 19.
Oh wow. So as you scan towards like the sea of people, you actually do see a familiar face.
Oh no.
As you look closer at this person, you see this human with like red orange hair, like a ginger with an eye patch na covering up a scar, and you notice
Zella.
him to be Zella per lalaki.
Zella.
Dili, he's quite kanang murag rough
Zeller.
looking. Zeller. And then like napod siya like mutton chops. Kanang
Oh, wait.
beard na sa kilid.
Oh,
And you-
I did eh.
And then you
Mutton
you recognize him to be the right hand man of the priest.
Oh shit. Okay. Oh damn. Alright. Unsay like ginabuhat niya ron basically.
He
is
seems to
doing
be-
something suspicious?
He seems to be heading towards somewhere.
Okay, I will follow him at a safe distance.
Roll for stealth.
Stealth.
Yep.
It's stealth. Here we go. Ginger. Schle. Ay, yun, naduhan ako it. Right, and then for stealth. Alright. Schle.
Namoy mo, donggan or market rabble by the way, or wala yun?
Wala actually.
Wala,
Damn.
music lang.
Wala did go work
21.
up on soundboard. 21, so yeah, you tail him without effort.
Without effort. Pero like, okay, naka-disguise sa Frigabo ko, okay. And then, what's the point about it?
So like you just follow him or what?
Na siya ay companions or something?
Nope, just him.
No? Siya lang?
Mhm.
Okay, just follow him. I just follow him.
So you follow
Kasi
him
ano to siya.
through the sea of crowds. You're trying to like maintain a good distance away from him. Also, you're like trying to maintain vision of him since like daghan kay tao and na ay like tendency na basig mawala ni mo siya and stuff. Pero after all that, he then proceeds towards a thinner area of the market where you can now notice him like obviously, and he passes a sign where it says again pangalan ato, the black market.
Okay. Oh,
And
my
he
lord,
proceeds
we're
to
going.
go towards there.
Black market.
Lahi man na Bridget.
Okay.
And then since gatin ang crowd, you notice na murag medyo out of place imong guard outfit, especially like
Gani.
padulongay nag shadier side sa market.
Gani. Okay. I'm going to deactivate my spell. And
Mhm.
then ang sa'yo nasa kong kuan paligid is like padulong sa market like nanay marag mga tall buildings or mga kuan na gihapon na mga
No.
sa tawag na kaya mga stalls.
Like stalls, pero like na section na like wala like kanang pina-abandon kanang puros ano ra good like crates and stuff. And then like sa direction na ginaatuan sa guy, mas maragaan na siya. Like mara siya how do I say this? How do I describe this? Like the legend siya tent pero like kabalo ka ng passageway na marag na ay cloth roofs ana like sa sobra dikit sa stalls kay naga-form sila marag dark area kunohay like covered. You know what I mean?
Oh, okay. Marsha katumurag slick kita og shield hero katong slave trader na ano na murag content ish.
No, the legend siya like huge tent. More like daghag tents and stalls na nagtapok to create like murag shade. So like dark, like medyo dark din siya na area.
Oh,
Or like na
okay,
ay-
gets.
Na sunlight naga-seep through the gaps sa like mga rugs and like other stuff na naga-cover mga tarps ana. So it's quite like visible sa gihapon since it's like the middle of the day.
Mhm. Sige. Okay. I dissipate and thinking that I have to change back to a more sinister type of character, I go back to my drow form.
Yeah.
Then still tail him, but still at a safe distance.
So yeah, so you follow him. This time murag what do you call this? Gaano siya? Look behind and like sa sides and stuff. And instead of like mas linear ang iyang direction, like he's going through this like labyrinth of stalls and stuff. And then he goes like left into an alleyway. And then you see him. He's not there.
Oh, secret passage. Secret passage. I am going to wait.
Mhm.
I'm going to wait for a bit.
Mhm.
Just like I'm going to wait for a bit, like an hour, and then after that hour, I'm gonna try and slowly go to the alleyway he went inside to.
So as soon as you decide to wait, roll me a deck save.
Oh my god, kill me right now. Yatake ko, guys! Help! Deck save.
Ayaw na ni mo. Dako naman na si Beraldir.
Beraldong.
Go, Beraldong.
Change na to music. Okay, Black Market.
21? 21?
Oo, sa 21
21.
pwede mo eh.
21? Yes.
So, with a roll of 21, you you like
Girl dog.
kinda you sense like the air shift around you, and then you manage to like tilt your head a bit as you hear like a knife or a dagger whoosh past your ear, like and then like nag-stuck sa isa ka kanang post sa isa ka stall, and behind you you see the man you were tailing.
Oh. Oh.
So like
Oh.
as you see him like looking at you, I see that you've been tailing me quite a bit. What the hell do you want, little elf?
I came for information.
Huh. What kind? And why me?
You see, I have one of my per se informants. Di ba, like my informant sa akong kwan, like my informant dyan sa una, like kato na ngayon ko kwan information niya about
Uh-huh.
Kisolair or about that shit. I heard that there was going to be and then I slowly slowly lean into him and whisper a revolution, and I would like to be a part of that.
Tapos gikuha niya yung like dagger sa post and like he sheaths it. Huh. I was quite stoked to kill you, but follow me. Eto. And then
Okay.
you now join him,
Alright.
and then you follow him into this like dark alleyway until you reach
Oh, no.
a tent. And then inside the tent seems to be like a store of some kind, like a magical, like magic item store full of like rare artifacts.
Oh
And
shit.
right at
Okay.
and then like right at the counter, you see this like man with a head for like with a tiger for a head. He's quite like animalistic in
Tabaksi siya.
creature, and
I know.
he's
Lion.
smoking like a pipe, and as he like takes out his pipe in his hand, you see that his hands are actually like in reverse, like his palm is facing him.
What? What? Where the fuck have I got myself into?
Do you wanna know what he
Okay.
is?
Okay, what is he exactly?
Roll me. Roll
Ay,
me.
tangina.
What do I say?
Perception?
No. Arcana.
Oh, okay. Some type of magic thingy. Arcana. Then. Yeah. 6. Ew.
Yeah, you don't know what he is, but he seems to be like magical in nature, or like out of this world.
Ooh. Oh, this is worse, much worse than I thought. Okay. Tingnan lang kung gamay ni sila na ano, like a local army. I didn't know na they pit bitches from the other planes nga nagapila-apila ko.
I mean, you don't know na lahi siya na plane.
Got it. Like,
And
damn,
and
I
like
wish this. Barrel
and like dilisod ako and like I can't confirm na Tagalaing Plain jud siya.
Okay.
I'm not saying na Tagalaing Plain jud siya. I'm not saying pod na dili siya Tagalaing Plain.
Okay. Suspicious. Okay, continue daw, continue.
And then like you hear as he takes his pipe off, you hear him greet with like I don't know if I can do the fucking accent. Mershag desert people like Arabic kashag accent. What is it this
Ikaw
time? Di mo kabalo na Arabic si Tober. He looks like it. What is it this
No,
time,
just
Connor? And who is this that
Connor.
you have brought here? Someone looking to join the revolution. So, are the others here now? And then, like, you see this creature, kanang shift towards the side, and then like walks towards like this murag isa ka flap sa iyang tent, and then open niya and then come on right in. And then Connor now takes you to like a secret area sa tent where it like heads downwards into the like earth through a trapdoor. And now you
Ooh.
seem to be like in a basement filled with kanang
Big
figures
shots, Goro.
inside.
Criminals. Criminal lords.
And then
Criminal
like
lord.
specifically you see one female elf with like raven black hair and kanang murag tied up in a braid. And then you see another like elf, but this time shorter. Siguro like from your elven like experience, you know that this guy is a wood elf. He's like, how do I describe him? Like silver haired, short and cropped, and he seems to be like whittling like some arrows, kumbaga. And then you see
Okay.
this like tall and like buff, even more muscular than Connor. He seems to have like gray skin and like black stripes all over that skin, and he's bald. So
Is he a
you
Goliath?
notice he is.
Okay. Oh my lord.
And then sa like
Dora, where are you now?
And then like sa likod pa, like leaning sa back of the basement, you see another elf na female. And that's it. Yeah. And then you hear Connor say, I've caught this bloke hailing me around, saying he wants to join the revolution. And then he like taps you kanang with a bit of force like to until na naka sa middle of like the basement surrounded by them. Now speak.
Okay.
They all look at you.
Saan ako ingon? Let's see here. Okay. You see, I have come here on behalf of possibly contributing to this revolution all of you are planning.
Mm-hmm.
And then, as you can see, I am a drow. And then, wala may katong ano no, kay mga elves jud din sila no, wala drow sila habis kan isa.
Wala.
Yeah, okay.
And then you
And as you can
ingana kay pag ingon nimo pag reveal nimo na like you're a drow. And then you kanang katong isa ka elf na nasa katong isa ka babae na elf sa back of like kanang pinaka likod na wall. She scoffs like, what is a Dorcan doing in Port Beaumont? Why would you want to be on our side of the revolution when you supposed to be in another nation?
You see, there are specific envoys that I want to kill. The same of my kin, fellow drow. As you can see, I am no mere drow. For
Mhm.
I'm seeking revenge against my own kin. And I will not be able to do it alone. And that is why I have joined this revolution. I want my kin currently inside Castle Beaumont dead.
And then like at the same time, after like you said that katong nagawito sa iyang arrows katong wood elf, he then speaks up. So Connor, does he even contribute anything? Well, he looks pretty scrawny to me. And then like Connor then speaks up. Well, as I can tell from when he dodged my dagger, he seems to have a bit of combat prowess. So well, maybe we could have him do something before we could, let him join our ranks. Eto. And then like the small wood elf continues to like whittle some arrows.
Okay. So, akong basically mangita ko og way maka-prove sila na kuan ko howd ko ana.
Yeah. And then as soon as pag-ingon ato ni Connor, like he then asks the group, you think we should send him up there? And then like the others like they exclaimed like with wide eyes like, really? Like anong mixed ano. And then nag-ingon tong isa pa ka babae na elf with dark raven hair. Well, the one's been back. Well, George hasn't have been back from that place. Are you sure we could
George.
send him? George. Lahi na George. And then like you could, and then nag-ingon si Connor, well, we're not going to sacrifice one of our current members now since he's quite the hot shot, really. He wants to join us and he has like no connection with us yet. I suppose we could send him instead. And then
Kill me
like
now.
and then like katong wood elf, he like said I in agreement, like I. And then like nangutan si Connor, who's in favor we send him up there? And you see all of them raise their hands up. They agree na they send you
him
up there.
where?
So I guess it's decided then. If you want to join us, well, we have this particularly hard mission we've been trying to accomplish. This noble in particular, well, he's pretty sneaky. He set up a few guards around his house, tightened up his security. We want you to break in there and get something that we want.
Ooh. Okay.
If you want to join us, Are you ready to do what as we say?
I nod slowly.
Very well. And then he like goes towards like a crate in the in the basement, and then he takes this murag map of Port Beaumont, where you can see like with like red scribbles, like X's and circles, and
Ay, i-draw diri oh. I-draw sa ano. I-draw diri sa
I mean, oh yeah, you can. I can actually, if I can find it. Tara, daganan ako tabs eh. Wait, galag akong there. Okay, tara. Yep, I'm lagging as well. Let's see, asa ganito, asa moment. I mean, it's not quite specific kay dapat, pero since like need money mo.
Okay. Okay.
Is it writing? Why is it not writing?
Unsa?
How about now? Wala ga write akong ano.
Ay, wonk. No?
Or basig sa likod ni ga write ba? Og sa
Oh,
likod
sa
yun
likod
sila
nag-right. Sa likod nag-right.
Womp womp.
Oh, atay.
Di lagi kuwad. Kawin sa
Ikaw na lang, i-pointer
Basically,
na lang. Pointer na lang.
yeah, so basically, katong like X marker, it's
Yeah.
located somewhere in the Pearl District. So as you know, the Pearl District is where like the nobles live, the upper class people live.
Hmm. Alright. Pearl District. The Pearl.
Mhm.
Unsay gusto nila ipakuha? Like, did they describe unsa na ano?
Well, you see, what we're trying to get here is some documents, specifically a deed.
What? So paper, okay. Okay.
So like it's a deed, like a title deed. Well, basically this bloke we're trying to infiltrate. We're trying to get the deed to his business here in the Wave District.
Oh shit. Okay.
And you see, he's the owner of like the weaponsmith here. And I should not delve into much detail. All you need to know is we want the deed and we want you to take it.
Okay, so basically a deed.
Mm-hmm.
Alright, sige. G.
And then kato, you are then like ushered pagawa sa like shop, like may abot na ka sa shop na area.
Okay.
Do you want to
I'm
like
going to
stay
go
in the
there.
shop or like magawas?
Umong po ko'y kwarta para mong kuan ay para mong shopping ug kuan.
Yeah, so like
Shady ass
nagawas na ka
items.
sa tent and then now you are at the like alleyway sa black market.
I'm going to memorize the way for if ever. Memorize
Oh,
the
yeah, I
way
mean,
sa
like,
katong dito sa-
You did. Mhm, you do. You now know.
Okay, and
Unlock
then
na ni
I'm
mo ang
gonna go to
area.
the Pearl. Unlock. And then
Right
to
now,
the Pearl District.
you're trying to get it right now?
Ay, wala akong gipadali.
Wala. By ano
Just be
siguro, by sundown.
By sundown. Amo, nagplano tan ako na night kumadto ba pero okay, sige.
I mean, if like pwede man like ma-infiltrate mo by night and then like at the same night to diretso ka sa ila, something like that. For ikaw good. Napakay like
Daghay.
unsa?
Sa Noble District, daghay crowds.
Kind of ish. Well, dili as daghan sa like Grand Bazaar or like the Wave District. Pero it's quite populated.
Ano sa pangalan sa Noble?
Well, wala siya giingon. Basta gihatag niya ang map sa imo and then like naka-X yun specifically ang isa ka like balay.
Okay, so mo niya akong buhaton. I'm going
Yeah.
to go to the Pearl District muna. And then maybe scout out the house or like koan. And then take a good look at ang kinsa mga guards. Okay, by shift mag-shift pa na sila. I can always use this guy's self
Sige.
para mo-find sa mga guards.
And that is where we end our session. Kay maghapit na mag-6.
What?
3 hours. Or
No!
Majipo.
Hours na.
3 hours na.
What?
Kay 3 to 6 ba ang atong sabot kay basig busy ang balas.
Kasi yung mga busy
Or
nila,
kamay.
yan ako, siya lang.
Napriso ang
Isa pa, may
nagsisilay.
Napriso gani no.
Napriso
Kaya kanang
I
karon mo siya ka
intended it.
karon mo siya ka continue balik sa like finally ni balik after 400 years niya na priso.
Mali yung reasoning by bullshit. Pero okay ra po.
Kapit na
Yeah, we're
Blue
seeing
siya. Blue siya na si Towa kay White.
Ay, mag-awa ko or dili. Like, basig next
I mean-
session, button ba?
Pwede man. Yeah, na possibility.
So, wala ko yung
Yes,
so-
session.
Naa. Sundoon man.
Pero pwede man ta mo continue if maka-continue mo, I guess. Karon.
Okay. Di ba kayo
Kay
mag-next
napay
session, Nana? Wala naman pa na
Sayang.
kay napay ni Zella, napay part ni Zella, napay part ni Key. Pwede sad
Iwasan.
if dili mo
Iwasan na
continue
lang ang
kay
kay Zella.
Pwede
Dili
sad.
ko ka continue.
Ah.
Ay,
Extra
dili.
pa ako giingon.
Di ba?
Pero kumana kay Jolo.
Oo, mana kay John,
Ah.
matatang iyang.
Ah.
Umana ko
Ano na
Next
lang?
part na to. Kay Jolo.
What if, amot lang. Kung sunod man good kay si Zella o si Key na lang ang di ba?
Oo.
Og si Fane.
O si
si
Pain.
Pain.
Napa si Pain.
It's either
Ay, sige
mag-prison break siya or i-bail out ninyo siya.
I-bail out
Nag-prison
na-
break.
Prison break, wait. It's not even a
Hello,
break, man.
Millen.
I'll be invisible. Maghatod na silang pagkaon, tas mawalag kalit. Shit. Ang manday mo.
So katawad, sa end na ta. Ayan,
Yes.
that's the end of our session.
Damn it.
Yay!
Yay, finally.
Right on
Kaya
schedule.
pala yun.
Actually, technically, wala to na 3 hours kaya nagsugot to 4. Kayo, nagbibitime si
Nagbibi time. Alright.
Nagbibitime si Payne.
Yawa! Bullshit!
Wow, I can start.
Kaya, kasi kinsa kabalo mag Google Calendar, pwede man mag Google Calendar. Yan
Ako,
i-set.
Enter
Para
lang.
iset lang.
Yeah, para i-set.
Naka-calendar diri.
Nya,
Para like,
maghimo kag
beforehand.
invite.
Yeah, pwede sad. Para like beforehand in case na isa na dili pwede na siya mo ingon.
Sige.
Yeah.